Previously we looked at making an inverted hull outline in Eevee. However, this doesn't work in cycles. But we can make it work with a few more nodes. Just like with the Eevee method, add a second material for the outline. Then use a solidify modifier, under normals enable flip and offset the material. Now open the second material in the shader editor. Mix an emission material with the outline color that you want with a transparent BSDF. Use the back-facing output of a geometry node to mix them. This shows the emission material where the faces are flipped, and it shows transparency everywhere else. Then mix that with the transparent BSDF again, but use a light path is camera ray output to mix it. This way the light can pass through the hull at the mesh inside, at least from the camera view. Now you have a toon outline that works in cycles renders. Finally, we can add some modifiers to make the outline look more interesting.